Good day, peoples, here from India in the beautiful little state of Goa, and here surrounded by motorcycles and a good man Vinod.
We are taking today Pedro on a ride of Goa countryside. We're just gonna follow now the country route,
Yes,
all the way around.
Yeah.
The country, and then we come to a place called Agonda, famous beach there. We will stop for a drink. Then we ride into the jungles of Goa.
You know, this is pretty cool. Our first ride, proper ride, because we've been on that Himalaya already, of course. Proper ride in India. It's been easy going on the road so far, not many cows. And you'll see a lot of these colonial style houses from back in the day when Goa was still a Portuguese colony. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Love this. Wow. I like the oldest. Like, these are newer, but I like the oldest best.
All going well for everybody?
All good, mate?
Yeah, good. Look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful, mate.
Yeah. I'm going a bit slow just to look around.
Yeah, don't worry about it, man.
Look at that.
You're the-
Beauty of Goa.
Beauty. You're
Nice,
the pack
huh?
leader today, Vinod.
Yeah.
So maybe the rest of the group would like to introduce themselves.
Hi there.
Nadia.
I don't know what am I doing.
Your name is Nadia.
Oh, okay, yes. Just telling you this beautiful landscape.
She is the missus of Vinod.
Yeah.
They're friends
Hi, I'm Rover. Nice
from
Germany.
Germany, yeah?
Yes, I'm Sunita.
Anita, the missus
From Germany,
of
Mrs.
Uber, also Germany.
Bastian from Germany.
Look at the nuns. Namaste. Look at the ladies here. Machli, machli, machli. Fishies. Oh, nice. Getting close to the coast, to the beach. On it. Oh, stall. On it. Hello, mate. You mean these cabins are temporary?
Yeah, they are all temporary, but they stay some in season.
Ah, okay, I
and
see.
They have to remove.
हाँ. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार, कैसे हो?
सुप्रभात.
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छे. पहचाना? विनोद क्लासिक बाइक से. मिली है इधर? वो नहीं है ना आगे बैठा है. उसको सरप्राइज देने आया.
आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया, आप कैसे? ठीक है ना?
ठीक है. अच्छा. We're in South Goa now. It's the better Goa. If you really want to get the more wilder beaches, and up north is more the cheaper tourism area.
Really?
So what am I eating here?
Puri bhaji.
Puri bhaji with deep fried the bread here they call it.
Puri.
That's the puri.
Yeah. And
Let's have a try. Have a try.
And the bhaji are vegetables.
Bhaji. Mm.
oh, dal, I think. Yeah.
The other one is dal.
Yeah. There's dal.
The way he's eating it.
Like a real Indian, right?
Yes.
No, because you're using
Like a
both your
taco or
hands.
something like that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Like a course.
Mm. Like a taco, yeah. That's how all Indians do it, right?
Yeah. All of them do it.
Lime juice.
Those days used to be.
Now,
Now still they have it. They're so expensive, huh?
yeah, but yeah,
And the wilder beaches, you know, the bays with the water reaching the palm trees and without all oh, hello Mo, out of the way. Without all these shacks on the beach, you still get the wild Indian coast. Welcome to India, bros. Acha, acha. Oh, yeah. Backing up on the phone.
I'm giving up. Sorry.
Look at this, the progress of India. So now you get these massive infrastructure projects in this beautiful state, and not everybody is happy with that. But you know, that's that balance. The whole progress thing, right? People getting faster from A to Z. The economy. Building these connections up to improve it. You win and you lose at the same time. No smoking area. Turtles. Turtle Beach.
Yeah.
Have you seen the turtles here before, Nadia?
No, I have not, because they're very shy. They just come to lay their eggs.
Yeah,
but,
yeah,
we
probably
can
in
see
the evening,
eggs,
no?
but I don't want to disturb the
Oh,
eggs.
right.
So you could.
Oh wow, they build nets around it. Around the eggs? Huh. Wow. Conservation in India. With the dates when they were laid. Hey, it's not too bad being a turtle mother, right?
It's cool.
Just
isn't
one
it?
time, plop, 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 plop. All right, see ya. Figure it out.
Figure it out. You're on your own now.
And it's pretty brutal, the little turtle life, man.
Yeah.
It's like, what is it? Half of them don't make it.
Yeah. But they still have a short.
Yeah, here it's pretty
chain.
short.
Yeah, it's
But then in the water, you still have some predatory fishes. Oh, this one's been cooking quite a while. But look at this beach right here. No shacks on the beach. No thrift stores or sarong selling. Touts. Just pure beach. That's the essence of a place like Goa, how it used to be. But these things don't tend to last in the modern world, so from what I understood, we're on our way to a place that's called a spice farm. We're going to eat there. Hey, I wonder if those are temple tops on top of the houses. Or they're dedicated temples, or it's someone's house and then they built these domes on there. Hindu shrines. Yeah. This is because Goa, because of the Portuguese, is Christian, but Hinduism has grown over the years after the Portuguese left, of course. When they left in the 60s. Hey, what's up, boys? Watch it, Moose! Whoa, look at the holes in that one! Absolutely massive! Stop check post. Namaskar. आप कैसे हो? ठीक है. All is good. Whoa!
Waterfall is soon.
So entering older native part of Goa, where there's still natives with basic houses. Oh, look at that. So during the monsoon, this just becomes a massive waterfall. Rushes all up, and over there you can see the concrete. You know, it exposes the rebar, it's gone. But yeah, natives. Vinod was telling us how Portuguese left them alone because there wasn't too much going on. So they're like a tribal almost. Jungle River. Oh, got him in the puddle. Tanshikar Spice Farm. Let's take this off for a second.
Yeah, it's very hot now. Hello, how are you?
Hottest part of the day, the air, you can feel it. Famous little spice farm.
खाएगा खाना?
Nice. And this looks familiar, but I still haven't gotten the names down.
Dal.
This is a dal.
Pakka dal.
Very nice. This is some naan, I think. There we go.
Fresh rice, very long.
Piage.
They will bring fresh. It's just,
Ah, it's piage, eh? Yeah. And this is together they're the subzian. And this is a bit of spicy, no?
No, it's not spicy.
No?
It's a mixed pickle.
Ah, I see. Chickpeas are great.
one important part of your meal is missing.
I'll try the pineapple curry a bit. Yeah.
Yes, take it.
This is, oh yeah, this is indeed like platinum. Very nice.
Super.
Into the spice fields. Whoa. It's like a tank. Whoa. Oh, that's nuts. There's the waterfall.
There is the waterfall.
This is the irrigation tank from the spice.
Thought of at the same time, and they made a pool out of it.
Wow.
They pump it up and down water, and you can swim.
Ooh, it's fresh. All right, everybody, well fed.
Perfect.
Got the chai, got a swim in, got a little walk in. Finish up the big stint of the Goa ride.
Let's go back.
Follow the leader. Boy, moose. Having a nice stroll, eh? Whoa, 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 whoa. Stalling, stalling. Right, everyone, have a good one out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.